Welcome to the next session. We are going to solve this kind of equation. We have limit x approaching to pi over 2 tan x power cosine x. Here we have the kind of way we have is the limit x approaching to a number function per function, where this one you usually add a function. It's a very simple and easy. First of all, when you are evaluating the limit, what you have to do first, you have to take this value of x already given and replace for the given expression. This is equal to limit x approaching to pi over 2 together tan x power cosine x will be equal. This one will be replacing the value of x here. Will be equal to tan pi over 2 power cosine pi over 2. Remember that pi over 2 is equal to 90 degree and 90 degree. The tan pi over 2, tan over this one is equal to what? This one, tan pi over 2. It's the same as what thing sine pi over 2 over cosine pi over 2 together. N power cosine pi over 2. This implies that this will be equal to sine pi over 2, sine of 90 degree will be equal to what? Sine of 90 degree will be equal to 0. Together. This simply means this is 0 over this cosine of 90 degree would be equal to 1. Okay? Okay, let's try to solve this kind of equation, which says solving real number a is equal to e power x times e power x minus 1, which is equal to 2. By using interlacing topic for senior 2 index properties, remember that when you have a power n times a power n, if we have the same basis, this one is equal to a power n plus n, we will add the power together. This simply means that, and keep in mind that when you have a power n, which is equal to a power n, if the bases are equal, so simple, if they are the same, you can already cancel the left term, we will remain that n will equal to a. By using those two properties, so very easy you can solve this question number a. Here we have a, we have e power x times e power x minus 1 is equal to a. Here we are making multiplication. A basis here is e, this one is e. E means that it is an exponential. This implies that by using those above property here, you can find that is e power x plus x minus 1, you take this power and add it to this one, which is equal to e. And this will be equal to, you will have is e power 2x minus 1 is equal to e. Remember that for writing e is the same as writing here, e power 1. Any number power 1 is that number. If you know this property, here you have the same basis, there is equal, you are going to use this property. If the bases are the same, you can cancel is the left hand. This implies that is 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. This implies that 2x is equal to 1 plus 1. You get that 2x is equal to 2. And finally, you get x is equal to over 2, which is equal to 1. That's the final answer. Thank you very much.